So, do you have any love story childhood?
No, actually, from the childhood, I was not in that group. So, focusing on girls. I was living in that group, those who
But
are
talking in girls.
but talking in girls only, but not interested or doing some, yeah.
So, if I ask you, who was your childhood friend is best?
My childhood, I can't say, but I studied in when I entered in sixth class. At that time, my friend was studied Suraj, but he was just a normal friend, not too much friend.
Okay.
After entering in 12th, his friend goes somewhere, my friend goes somewhere. At that time, we close so much close and
Okay.
become a
Good friend.
good friend,
Okay. Good one.
good to good friend.
Okay.
After that, we decided I take in 12th PM,
PCM.
PCM and he take PCB. So he pass, I also pass. He choose nursing, BSc nursing, BSc nursing. I choose first what I forgetting, what is agriculture.
Agriculture.
I doing agriculture, but our bonding is that level, so we can't go other side.
Okay.
For that reason, we select one common branch, so we
Related
both
to
are
Same
go
field.
at the same field.
Okay.
So we decided to do B Pharma. For that purpose, we went to consult, and the consult when we talking about the B Pharma, consult suggest me if you want to do B Pharma, that is good. I accept, but apart from the B Pharma, if you want to do biomedical, the biomedical field is very good.
Oh,
So he teach me.
that time you taught
That
you.
time I get idea about the little bit biomedical engineering, so I decide and select this branch. Me and my Suraj, you can say he's my best friend,
Okay.
and we are right now in college. We are
Yeah.
pursuing our degree.
You're absolutely right. You are whatever you are saying that you are, and your Suraj, and you are very good friend. I saw you in both of the so many times. You are always roaming with him.
Yeah, sometimes some people are saying these both guys are brother.
Oh, that's brother. Okay.
Yeah.
So, my next question to you: do you have any childhood memory that day you are very happy,
Yeah.
and that day you are very sad?
Yeah, this moment when I memorize that and comes in my mind, at that time I start laughing. Actually, what happened when I was in fifth class? So you know, fifth class students are very naughty.
Yeah. Not
So what will happen? I simply go to class.
Okay.
After lunch, what happened? I take my bag from the window side
Okay.
and throw that outside and take that bag. I come in my house.
In government school.
Yeah, government school.
Okay.
I studied from government school.
Even I did also same thing.
Yeah. So after coming to home, my father was seen to me. What will happen? My father take me
Again.
and bind my head
Okay.
with the what is called rassi,
Rope.
rope, and bind me and start take one stick and start beating me. I was crying. Start crying.
Okay.
My mother come and she said to him. So after that I again take my bag and went to college,
School.
school.
Again you went.
Again I went and after lunch, full half day I sadly sit in class. At that memory I realized. So
So, do you have any love story childhood?
no, actually from the childhood I was not in that group. So focusing on girls. I was living in that group, those who are
But talking in girls.
but talking in girls only, but not interested or doing some, yeah. These things I live in that group. That in that group only we do whatever do apart from study, whatever the unnecessary things was, that things only we do.
Have you ever stolen anything childhood or not?
Yeah, yeah. I have stolen. I in class in a school. I take one instrument box to the other student and take and stole and kept in my bag and simply go to my
Oh.
home. After that that box, I never go with that box in schools because once you will see, they will
They
scold me and
they will say you
they
are
will
thief, bro. You are very
thief,
good.
like that. Many things in childhood happens because
Yeah. Even
that things are not in our hand.
that time is our mind. That time is really we our bag and book is really heavy. But that time is we do not have any tension. But
Yes.
now we don't have bag, but we have tension. Lots of things for career, for getting a job, for life in this field. So do you miss your life or not?
Yeah, childhood life everyone missed because everyone want to go in previous life because that life was very without tension, without hesitation, but without any
Yeah.
drama like that. They
We
enjoy
always
full.
eat food and after
Yeah,
enjoy play. No one will
we also
say.
cry for 2 rupees. If mother gives 2 rupees, we went to the school. Otherwise, we didn't went.
Yeah, that's the
These things
story.
happen.
But now see, if the father give 100 rupees, yeah, or 1,000 rupees, even we are not satisfied.
Not
But in
satisfied.
childhood, even 1 rupees, how much that much value is? See, I can't expect that. Really, is that day is amazing for me and for all the peoples. Yeah. So, do you miss your right now your mother or not?
Yeah, I have my mother.
Do you miss you or not?
Yeah, I really missed because previous 8 or 9 months I didn't went to my home because last time I went for internship, so I didn't get chance. After completing in November, December exams, our semester exam, I went to my home. I missed my mother hand food,
No,
especially.
everyone here missed because even I, if I think about my family, so I'm crying. What will happen? See, and since childhood we are always together playing with mom and dad and brother and sisters. Some things we are arguing with. Give to me, give to me. Yeah, some things I keep quietly and eating something. Nobody will see if this my brother and sister see me, they will asking for give me bhaiya. Then I eat idly and close the room. These things I did. Yeah, that things I did. Okay. So have you ever decided I will do marriage in this age?
In this age, actually, I didn't think about the marriage because I'm surviving life my life on my parents' money, not on my money. So I first decided I will successful in my career. I will earn lots of money. Then I will decide whether I will do marriage or not. At the particular time, everyone get marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. But
So you want to do marriage, love marriage, yeah, arrange marriage?
still, I don't have any girlfriend. So
In future, in corporate fields, maybe some will come.
maybe if in future will happen, then I will decide whether will I will do or not. In future, I don't know.
So do you like living relationship or not?
Actually, I didn't live in relationship, so
No, I'm just
this type
asking
of
to you.
experience I don't have, so I can't explain.
No, I because I went to the Bangalore na. One of my friend, he's working in Zapto company for data analytics. He and her girlfriend, they both are staying living relationship. Then I asked, what is your living relationship? He said, whatever you want to do, you can do. Whatever she wants, she can do anything, but without any marriage. Like if you want to do marriage, you can marriage also. Yeah, if you don't want to do marriage, but if you want to stay with her, you can stay home. Oh, then I thought this is called a living relationship. In not only Bangalore, in Bangalore also, Mumbai also, Delhi side also, so many people and boys and girls, they are staying in living relationship for enjoying his life and her life. That's why I'm telling to you. If you get chance, you will go and not.
I I don't have experience, so I simply reject these things.
Yeah, this is not good. See, guys, our life is only one time. If you want to enjoy, you can enjoy, but
Yeah, there are lots of opportunity. There are lots of different way to enjoy. Not only this way. Once you get married, you enjoy with your wife.
yeah, but that life is different. Like before the marriage, that life is different.
Maybe, but but I don't have these
Uh,
things.
okay, that's great. We have done conversations, but again, we will do for any topic. We just talk in general topic.
Yeah.
And you should also learn, if you want to talk with me, you should just message me. I'll also connect with you. Send me message. I have mentioned my WhatsApp number, Instagram ID, and LinkedIn ID, and Facebook ID also. When you are to connect with me, just send me message, and I'll always ready for doing conversation, doing podcasts. I'm happy to connecting the people and talking the new peoples. He is, I invited to him. He also ready to wanted to talk with me. That's why I did. And if you want to, you can also come, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Definitely, if you subscribe, you will get more idea and watch this video. Definitely, my dear friends, we are ending that sessions. Would you like to say some anything?
Yeah, I would like to say that first of all, I would like to say thank you to you for inviting me on your podcast.
Yeah.
It was really great experience to me, where I conversation with you, and I also get some idea from you, and you also get some idea from me.
Yeah, I
These
got
are
it.
very important things, and at the end, I would like to say that see, we are sitting here for conversation to improve our communication and speaking English. So everyone thinking that English is very tough. We can't communicate with other people. We can't speak. But it is not a big deal. If you want to speak English, you can speak, because only the
Just-
important thing is that you should take first step.
Yeah, you are right.
Once
are
you
right.
take first step, now automatically second step it happen.
Happen ultimately, you are able to speak anything.
Yeah, so
any language.
you should take first step. Once you take first step, it will get idea, and idea you will start speaking. I'm sharing my personal experience that I also feeling hesitation. I also feeling anxiety
Before the doing
before
conversation.
doing the conversation.
But
But
while the
now,
one time started,
Yeah.
everything coming in word and sentence,
Yeah.
everything. Just you have to start first step. Second will also
second
starting.
will, yeah, these things are very important. So don't hesitate if you want to conversation. So simply message to him.
Connect with
He will
me. I'll
connect with
always
you.
Be ready with you.
Okay,
Okay.
that's all. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Bye bye. Nice to